everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I'm going to try something that I have never tried before tonight. I'm going to try to make angel wings with a blow dryer. I had this idea, I've had it in my head for a while, and I just didn't know how to try it on canvas. I still don't know exactly how, so even if this painting doesn't turn out, I'm gonna use it as a learning experience. It's gonna be my first try, so we'll just have to see how it goes. I have some exciting news as well. I am participating as a guest artist at the Fluid Art Boutique, and it is in my hometown, or at least close by, in Delray, Florida. I will link the information to the Fluid Art Boutique. There are 6 other amazing artists that are participating with me. It's Cause Creations, Waterfall Acrylics, Mina from Mina Villegas Art. There is Michelle Galley from Michelle's Grateful Creations, and we also have traveling in Erica Hughes. I hope I got everybody, but there's 7 of us, so make sure that you check out the website. Classes are on sale, and until September 10th, you get a little bit of a discount as well. So this is my first time participating in something so large, and I'm really excited to meet these wonderful artists that I have known, you know, on video for so long. So I hope to meet some of you as well, and I cannot wait for that event. It's going to be, almost forgot to tell you, it's going to be October 8th, 9th, and 10th in Delray. We're using a beautiful, used to be an art museum as the venue. So like I said, I can't wait. So enough talking. I'm going to get to try these angel wings, and keep your fingers crossed for me. Let's paint. All right, hello everyone. Let's do something totally different. I wanted to try to create angel wings. I'm gonna have it kind of flow up and then down and then meet here, up and then down and then meet here. I may have to use a palette knife to kind of shape them, but what I'm doing, I have Amsterdam black here mixed with water. And then I have Amsterdam black and Creative Inspirations black mixed with water. Then I have Soho silver and Winsor and Newton silver. And these are all, I'm mixing brands so that I can get cells and so that I can mix them with water. And then I've got Amsterdam titanium white and water. I'm going to pour the black bases, and then I'm going to start with a small puddle, but I think I'm gonna layer rings out because I want it to get that feathered look as I blow out. I don't know, it worked in my head. We'll see if it works on canvas. All right, so I'm gonna start with my black. That is much thinner than the thick paints that I was just using for some swipes. And I'm going to blow that out. Give it a good torch. If this works, the possibilities are endless for this. So wish me luck on that one. Okay, I, as usual, got paint everywhere, all over my hands. I'm just gonna tilt these just a little bit to level out the paint, and you'll see that some of it runs off. because I do want some hard edges here. Not hard, but like I don't want it to be super soft and blend into the black. And when you don't want that, when you want like crisper lines, you want to have a thinner base. Okay. This is good to go. Okay, so now I need to picture where I'm gonna start because I'm gonna blow up and then out. So I think I'm gonna start layering like really close in here. I'm gonna start with white. So I'm gonna have to do this very gently. I feel like I've already messed up. I've only got one drip on there. Okay. I mean, like, this has to be really delicate. I should have used squeeze bottles, and you guys know me. You know how I pour. Ugh. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna go the silver next. In my mind, this works really well. I think I may go with white in between each layer of these. You won't be able to see the black on the black base, but you'll be able to see what happens when I blow it over. Okay, silver here. I think maybe one more layer of white. And I need to get this one a little bit more symmetrical. I'm gonna blow this way and then out and then down. So now, do I do one more layer of silver? Maybe I do. Again, like I said, in my head, this worked out. Okay. I'm gonna stop there. This is an abstract piece. Like, okay, all right, so this part's gonna blow. So then this part I'm just gonna do, whoops, I'm gonna start right here. Just come straight down. Maybe I'll just do it like this to keep it simple. They'll never be symmetrical. That's okay. How many do I have there? 4? Whew, I felt like I was holding my breath. Okay. Come in, silver. On this, ooh, I caught that drip. That was like my win for the week. I may go back in and add just a little bit more white. Oh, I didn't catch that drip. But I'm gonna add my black first. And again, I'm adding black even though it's on a black base. see if I can get that feathered look. I have one extra strip there, don't I? I'll do it in white. I've had a lot of ideas in my head lately and none of them have worked out on canvas, but you gotta try, you know? It's like skeleton hands right now. Oh, I have my hair in the painting, literally. Huh. And it was gray. Dang it. All right, let me blow this out. Okay, I am not hating this. I'm just gonna swoop this on up through there and through there. It's not quite symmetrical. And swipe just a little bit further down. Swipe just a little bit further up. Can take a little bit of the black paint too and just run it right through there. And then I wanted to kind of I don't know, I was picturing that more, I don't know. I kind of like it. I can't tell yet. I can't tell if I like it. I want that like feathered look. I don't know, it's definitely abstract. It's actually more symmetrical than I thought it would be, actually. I mean, I really like it either way. I don't know that it's quite giving me angel wings. I think next time I may just leave the black out completely. But you know how the wings, when you're looking at them from behind, they kind of scoop up and then they go out? That's what I was going for. I love the details in it. I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna think about what I wanna do for the next one. I like it as an abstract piece by itself though. It's very, very pretty. All right, this was my first try. I'm gonna try again. Let me show you what this looks like. Okay, as an abstract piece, I like it. Here's the cells. I think what I need to do is put it into squeeze bottles, leave out some of the black, and look at that. And then squeeze it through. But I was trying to get that shape at the top and then down. Those cell reactions are so pretty. So I think I'll try this again. I'm gonna let it dry, see what it looks like. But I think I'm gonna try it again with a few changes. But I will show you what this looks like dry. Man, I've had a rough go at it with paintings not turning out. And while this is a very cool abstract piece, and I love the silver and the white and the black, it's just not angel wings like I had wanted. The shape is off. It's just, it didn't come out the way that I wanted. There's too much black in between here. So I'm definitely gonna try this again, and I know what I'm gonna do next time. I'm gonna use squeeze bottles so that I can get a more feathered effect. I'm gonna start at the bottom and blow out the bottom first and then move to the top so that I can get a layered effect. And let me turn these around because I think they would actually be really cool in a different composition since it's not quite angel wings. I think that it could be really cool this way. I think that that's super interesting. And then I also think that you could maybe twist them again and offset them, one here and one down lower. And I think that that would work as well. But again, super abstract. I love the negative space. I love the silver. It's just not quite angel wings. So I'm gonna try it again. I hope that you still enjoyed the video and learned something. I know I did for sure on this one, but thank you for watching. Happy painting. Bye.